Aloha, fellow eaters. Today we'll be having Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich and their pumpkin cream pie here on Welcome to FoodzFolkz, helping you find your food and remembering the good times when we ate them. If you're new here today, mahalos for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourish us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We have timestamps so you can skip to the video and the parts you want to see. Here we go. Spicy chicken. Let us know under the comments below. What do you guys think of this? Whoa. It's almost like the classic. It's still big. It's really good. Let's see if this is the best one. Because the last time I ate the classic chicken sandwich, that was the best one I had. I'll link that video here, by the way, so please check that out. Wow, look at this. Whoa. That's a monster. Let's see what's inside. Pickles and their sauce. Oh, I guess that's the spiciness, that little orange sauce and more. Oh, I see. Okay. Because the classic one was just like white sauce. Okay. Oh, their pickle's good, by the way. Oh, let's see. Let's take this off. Oh, monster. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beast. The best beast. Oh, that's huge. Wow. That's really big. Look at that. Oh, okay, I might try it this side. Okay, yeah, let's try it this side. Huh? This side? Okay. Here we go. Let me see. This side? Okay, this side. Smell it. Oh, wow. That almost burnt my nose. It's good. Yeah, it smells real good. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Do not waste. Get them all in there. Wow. That's good. Hmm. The pickles kind of looks like zucchini, actually. I don't know what you guys think. Pickles? I mean cucumber or zucchini. Oh, this bread. Wow. Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful. Wow. I give this a 4.9 out of 5 stars. Now this is the best chicken sandwich I ever had. Sauce, the spiciness is not too hot. I tasted a lot more spice. Hot ones. I'm comparing this for like other hot sauces, not like a spicy chicken sandwich. But I'm not a spicy person, but I'm able to handle this. So you should be fine. But it is hot. It's um you'll be able to handle it though. Nice crunch on the breading. Good seasoning. Good sauce there. Bread, oh, so soft. Nice and chewy. Look at that. Wow. Chicken was tender. Wasn't dry. And that. Oh, look at that. Breading. Nice and crunchy. Wow. Pickles and sauce. Awesome. So good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Their pumpkin cream pie. You gotta have a dessert, right? Okay. Let me do that again. Here we go. Sugar. Let's see. Pumpkin and cream cheese. Wow, it's pretty good. I give this a 4.7 out of 5 stars. Cream cheese, soft, nice and warm, as for the pumpkin sauce as well. Pumpkin was kind of overpowering the cream cheese though. Good crunch to it. Good. Well, actually, I'm still tasting the spiciness from the chicken sandwich. So probably eat this first because it's pretty warm inside, and it just magnifying the hotness, the spice from the chicken sandwich even more, and it's not fun. Yeah, but toast tastes good though. Good crunch and softness, and sugary and sweet too. Tastes like pumpkin. Good. That was good. Thank you, folks, for watching. And for more Foodz unboxes, right here, folks. And for other foods, right there. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks.